think about how long crimes stick around. There's never any time where a murder is going to go away. The felonies follow the felon forever, and sexual offenses follow that sex offender indefinitely. If such a crime is attributed to you, it is going to be stuck with you forever until you deal with it. Unless you retain a lawyer like Loker Law to sue the background check company to get that split from your record, it will always be there, unlike credit issues. Credit issues follow you for 7 years. The crimes, and the public has an interest in knowing who's a criminal and who's not, that will always be there unless you deal with it. If you review a criminal background check report and you see someone else's crime associated with you, the process in taking care of that is typically about 8 months from the date that you dispute, file a lawsuit, and likely reach a settlement or obtain a verdict against the background check company. If you don't deal with it, instead of having it cleared up in 8 months, that crime will follow you indefinitely because these types of records never go away. If you in fact have a issue in your past and you obtain an expungement from the court, what that means is that the court where the crime happened or the arrest happens is supposed to seal that criminal record, or alternatively, if they expunge it, that means it's basically, for lack of a better term, like going away. That should be it, if it's sealed or if expunged. Unfortunately, sometimes if there's a criminal background check report, it can still hold you responsible for those sealed crimes or those expunged crimes. And that's actually a violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, because you went to the court, you showed the court that you were, changed or as a mistake, and the judge agreed with you and sealed that from the public. If that's held against you in the future, that's illegal and something that you should contact an attorney for immediately. Legal action, if there's something on your record that does not belong to you, is going to take that weight off your shoulders. So instead of you being stuck with someone else's crime indefinitely, what we can do at Loker Law is handle the case for you on a contingency basis. Contingency means that we don't charge you anything ever. If we win, we all get paid. If we lose, nobody gets paid, and you don't write our firm a check for our time or our costs or anything. Then by engaging in litigation, what we can do is make sure that you get split from that other person's crime, and you can move on with your life with that clean slate that actually belongs to you and get the job or get the apartment or house, whatever you desired, but were held up for because of the crime. A criminal background check report, unlike a credit report, will stay on your record forever. And the reason for that is that the public has an interest in knowing these certain types of crimes so that the public will, not be in danger from the actual criminal. So if there's a false crime on your report, it's important that you engage our services at Loker Law to file a lawsuit so that that false crime doesn't track you from job to job or apartment to apartment, and you can squash it and get deleted or removed so you can move on and have the life that you deserve, as opposed to being held accountable for someone else's crime.